Welcome to the Palm Beach County Water Utilities Department How-To Series. In this video, we'll walk through the steps needed to register for an account for our E-Backflow program. E-Backflow allows our plumbing and fire sprinkler contract clients to self-report the test results from their customers' backflow and fire line assemblies. To begin, visit PBCWUD.com. Click on I Want To. Then click on Learn about Backflow Prevention. On the Backflow page, click on the link that says Click to access the E-Backflow web portal. As a new user, click the button that says Backflow Registration Form. On the next page, you'll need to enter your business name, license number, and additional contact information. At the bottom of the page, review the terms and conditions. Check the Yes box, then click Submit. Our Cross Connection Program Coordinator will then send you a confirmation email with a unique ID number to complete your registration. The email will be sent from an email address called WUD Service and will contain your account number, your ID number, and corresponding zip code. Follow the link in the email and enter your account number, ID, and zip code, then press Continue. Next, you will need to create a username, a password, and enter the primary email address you will be using with this account. Then click Continue. The next screen will confirm registration in green. Then choose the link that says click here to log in. This will bring you back to the main home screen where you will enter the new username and password you just created, and then click the log on button. Once logged in, you can use the other features in E-Backflow. Watch our other videos for tips on navigating these features.